back to my channel. As per the title, you would know what this video is gonna be about. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first step is preparing your skin for the makeup. For that, you need to moisturize well. So here I'm using Lacto calamine oil balance moisturizer, which is good for oily skin tones, or you can use whichever moisturizer is suitable for you. So the next step is priming your skin. I'm skipping this step for beginners makeup. So the next step is the base. For the base, we need the foundation, a compact, a concealer, and a loose powder. Loose powder is optional, you can use or you can skip this step. So let's talk about foundation first. So talking about the foundation is, this is from Maybelline matte+poreless foundation. You all maybe know about this, and it is from Fit Me. This the main advantage of this foundation is that it comes in a wide range of skin tones, and it is very easily blendable foundation. You don't need to mess with it, and it is suitable for normal to oily skin type. And this foundation is too good for everyday makeup or party makeup or any kind of makeup. You can use this foundation, so I'm including this one in this kit. So this is the shade 115. This is my shade, and you can get yours as it is available in many shades. So this is about the foundation. This is the foundation I use for this kit. So that's it about this foundation. Next, coming for the concealer. This is the second step after foundation, and this concealer is from Maybelline New York. And let's talk about this. This concealer is available in many shades. You can get yours one. Coming to this concealer, talking about the quality, this is quite good for the milder dark circles. It works good, but you have dark circles, then it won't make that much difference. Instead of this, you can use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. That is quite good, and it does good for the dark circles. And this one is also good, but it makes a little cakey if you have much of the more dark circles, sorry. So that's it about the concealer. You have two options, this one or the Maybelline Age Rewind one. So next step is setting up. You can either use this one, loose powder, for setting your under eyes, or you can use this compact. If you are a beginner, then you can go for this one. You can set with this powder. This is also good, which comes like this, and the sponge is underneath, so it comes in this way. And shades, even this is also ivory one. You can go for your shades. It is also available in many shades. So that's it for the base. If you are not a foundation kind of a person, then you can go for this Pond's BB cream. It's a hype, guys. This is a savage, and I use this for everyday makeup. But for those who doesn't want to make more of the things, so make it a little messy, then you can go for this BB cream instead of a foundation. It gives a nice coverage, and it's good, and it comes in the two shades. This is my shade original, and it's come in other one shade also is available there. So you can, guys who are not fond of foundations, then they can go for this one. So we are done with the first step. The second step is about eyes. So before coming to the eyes, eyebrow pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil, which is from Miss Clair, and this eyebrow pencil is very good for the beginners. Sorry, I haven't sharpened this, but it's good. It's too good for the beginners. And a makeup normal makeup girls also. And it comes with a brush which you can brush your brows and set it up. So that's it for the brow, and it is so affordable as well. So the next one is I have the kajal. This is Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, which is also a affordable one and really good. It is smudge proof and it lasts so long for you, and it's too good for you for the beginners. Okay, so I have in kajal I have two options. One is white and this is black. For black I have this Lakme Eyeconic one, and for white one again from Miss Clair, and this is quite good for the beginners. You can go with it. If you are not a fond of black kajal, you can go with the black kajal. You can go with the white kajal. Okay, the next step is curling your eyes. Mascara. This is the Lakme Eyeconic curling mascara, which is too good. This is not the waterproof one, but it's too good if you are using it for a short period of time. And the next one is waterproof. This is Maybelline hypercurl mascara, which is too good, and it is waterproof as well, and you can wear it all day. And the next step comes to eyeshadow palette. For this I have Lakme 95 eye color quartlet something, and this has 4 shades, which is golden, peachy one and brown 2 shades, which comes with this brush, and it's quite good, and it is a little pigmented as well. And for the eyeliner I have this Lakme Insta liner, which is so affordable, and it is a it is too good. It lasts so long. It is affordable, and it's too good, guys. You can go for it. This is all about the eyes. I have all these options for you for the eye makeup. Okay, this is the third step of the beginner's makeup kit, which includes lipsticks. So for the lipsticks I have all kind of shades in limited lipsticks, so you can use it for all kind of occasions. First comes the lip balm. You have to hydrate your lips well before applying your lipstick, or else it will leave your lips pigmented or something. So first you have to moisturize your lips. So for that I have Maybelline Baby Lips. Color you can choose of your interest. I have this color one, which is, it's not mentioned, so this one. Next comes the red lipstick, which is little like not that red carpet wala red. So this one is little like maroonish kind of red, but this goes well on the weddings kind of season. Next comes the pinkish shade, which is good for college going girls. This one is a multi-purpose one. I'll tell you why later. And I use this for blush as well, so you can skip the blush. Instead of the blush you can use this one, and this shade is good. It goes for everyday makeup and all kind of things. So this one is from Elle 18 Colourpop Matte, and it's in the shade P21 Pinkish. So next come the nude lipstick, which is from Maybelline New York, and this shade is 06, which is quite good for everyday makeup look and other evening makeup looks or daytime makeup looks. Next comes the red lip liner, which is like a pure red, and this is from again Miss Clair, and you can use this for weddings, functions, parties and all who loves wearing red lipsticks. So that's it for lipsticks. So guys, we are all done, and this is your beginner's makeup kit. These all products are very affordable and very good for beginners, and this is it. So Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.